Hi everyone, my name's Lisa. I'm a makeup artist and I want to share a little secret about a product that I'm obsessed with. It's a skincare product that I don't think I can live without now. I'd panic if it run out. Want to see what it is? Let's get to it. These two are my absolute skin hero, iconic saviours in my personal skincare regime, as well as my professional makeup artist kit. And that takes a lot of a good product for me to really say that and use that in both of those worlds, basically. So this one is the Hada Labo Lotion Anti-Aging Super Hydrator. So this has the hyaluronic acid as well as the addition of retinol and collagen. Very mild levels, but this is targeted more towards that anti-aging market. So great for anyone to start using in your kind of 30s, mid-30s plus. It's amazing. It's made for people like me because I'm in my mid-30s. And then you have this one, which is just the Lotion #1 Super Hydrator. So this is just the Super Hydrator formula. I say just, it's still a beautiful, beautiful formula. So what's so amazing about hyaluronic acid? Why has it got so much hype, you ask? Well, hyaluronic acid naturally occurs in the skin and the human body. It's attracted to water and binds it into the skin, basically. And the other magical thing about it, it holds up to 1,000 times its weight in water, which is huge, and why we all need it, basically. As we get older, we produce less hyaluronic acid in the skin, and as it gets damaged from things like sun and the environment, we produce less. So we need to add it in to plump and hydrate the skin. And this is what I love about this product. It instantly boosts the hydration in the skin, so your skin will look less dull, it will look more radiant, it will plump out any fine lines because it's almost swelled the skin. Think of it like a sponge. So Hada Labo call this the Super Hydrator because it contains 3 molecular weights of hyaluronic acid. Very exciting. So it goes from macro to micro, meaning it's very well received into the skin and fast acting. So this is one of the formulas to show you. And then the other, it's a very lightweight water texture, super lightweight, and it just blends in super beautifully. So how do you use it? Well, it's very simple. I normally do 2 pumps of the product and I rub it in my hands like so, then I pat it into my skin. Take it right down to the chest, and it's as simple as that. This formula is also fragrance free, meaning it's fantastic for a sensitive skin type. These work amazingly on all skin types, so whether you're oily, dry, dehydrated, these are very much welcomed in your skin routine. Where does it sit in your skin routine? So you would start with your cleanser, go in with these bad boys, then I'd go into my moisturiser and oil if you use an oil, and then my SPF. So that's kind of the routine. So you work from the lightest texture. So if you're not sure, get all your products out and have a little feel of them. And whatever feels the lightest kind of goes first, which probably would be your serum. So that's it. That's the Hada Labo, that's how you use it. Look at that gorgeous glow, and this gives you such a perfect base to start your makeup. I'm such a huge fan of these. Have you given this a go? I'd love to let you know. Anyway, feel free to subscribe and check me out on Instagram also, because I do a lot more daily content there. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time.